Welcome to Lecture 10. Today, we will explore functions in Swift. Functions help us write reusable code, making our programs more organized and efficient. So let's dive in. A function is a block of reusable code that performs a specific task. Instead of writing the same code multiple times, we can define a function once and use it whenever needed. Here is the basic syntax of a function in Swift. Func say hello, print hello Swift. To call this function, simply use its name with parentheses. Say hello, which will give us the output hello Swift. This function, say hello, prints a message when called. Functions help keep our code DRY, which means don't repeat yourself. Functions can accept input values called parameters. Let's modify our function to accept a name parameter. Swift, func greet, name, string, print hello name. Now we can call it with different names. Swift, greet, name Alice, which gives us the output hello Alice. Greet, name Bob, which gives us the output hello Bob. Here, name is a parameter of type string. When calling greet, we provide an argument to personalize the message. Functions can also return a value instead of just printing output. Here's an example. Swift, func add numbers a int b int, return a plus b. Calling this function returns a sum. Swift, let result equals add numbers a3 b5, print result, which will give us the output 8. The int indicates that this function returns an integer value. The return statement sends back the computed result. We can provide default values for parameters, making them optional when calling a function. For example, Swift func greet user name string equals guest, print welcome name. Now we can call it with or without an argument. Swift greet user, which will give us the output welcome guest, greet user name Eva, which will give us the output welcome Eva. If no argument is passed, Swift uses the default value guest. Functions can accept multiple parameters. Here's an example that calculates the area of a rectangle. Swift func calculate area, length double, width double, return length into width, calling it with values. Swift let area equals calculate area, length equals 5, width equals 3, print area, which gives us the output 15. This function takes two double parameters, multiplies them, and returns the area. Swift allows us to define multiple functions with the same name but different parameters. This is called function overloading. Swift func multiply a int b int, return a into b. Func multiply a double b double, return a into b. Calling the function with different types. Print multiply a2 b3, which gives us the output 6. Print multiply a 2.5 b4, which gives us the result 10. Swift automatically selects the correct function based on argument types. Swift allows us to define functions inside for helper functions used only within a specific function. Swift func outer function, func inner function, print inner function called inner function. Calling outer function will execute the inner function as well. Nested functions help organize code, but the helper function is only needed with a specific scope.